Okay, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia and I am making these videos for people who are just starting out in insurance like moi. And if you're at level 1 and you're like me and you're like here, then maybe you might want to follow me on my journey. I'm making this for women because where are all the girls at? Like, all I see on YouTube is like men dominating the insurance space and no women. So where are all the chicks? Okay. And then I'm also making this video for the representation of the brown girls. What's up, brown girls? Black girl magic. Because I don't see any Latina or black women or even Asian women for that matter sharing videos on in the market space. So I mean, ladies, where y'all at? So I was looking for somebody to mentor me or to get information from, and I've been finding it hard to find someone. And if you're feeling like I'm feeling, which I have like angst or anxiety a little bit about starting an insurance, it's a little bit overwhelming coming into it, especially because it's a commission only job. It's a little scary, it's a little intimidating. So you know, I'm like, damn, I don't have anybody to hold my hand, you know, so I'm going to have to hold my own hand. So we can hold hands together virtually. And, you know, you guys can give me feedback or ideas, and I can give you feedback and ideas and tell you what's working for me, what's not working for me, and vice versa. So that's kind of like why I'm creating the channel. So a little bit about me is that I got licensed in November of 2017. So I've had my license for a little while. I started off with a captive company that shall remain nameless right now. And I wasn't really happy there. Like, I didn't really like their business practices too much. And I didn't like the way they went about getting their leads. I felt like it was more of like a bait and switch type of situation. And it works for them. That's fine. It's a lot of great people over there. I mean, I love the people. I just didn't really like the business practice so much. So I left, took some time off, researched, and I found something that's working for me. The company that I'm with now is called Equus Financial. They're a relatively newer company, but they're a broker. So before I was a captive, if you don't know what captive means, that means that you can only sell the products from that one agency or from that one company. If you're in a broker agency, then you can sell the products of whatever companies are with that are under that brokerage firm. So like for instance with Equus, they have over 15 to 20 different companies that they have. So I mean, they have Mutual Omaha, Foresters, AG, the American General, like lots of different companies, and I can sell the products from those companies to my clients. So I kind of like that because basically I'm not pigeonholed into just one thing, and if somebody can't get qualified, I can jump to another company maybe, you know, and help them. So I haven't been out on my own yet with this company. I've only been out twice with my upline manager to help me. He's super busy, so I've been kind of like, feel like I'm left out in the ocean floating a little bit. So I'm trying to just get my bearings. I started cold calling a little bit. I'm terrified of cold calling, and I don't know why, but it's something that I'm going to have to get over and try to book appointments. I don't know why I have anxiety. I think part of my anxiety too is that I don't know how to do all the different applications once you're there. So, you know, I hate looking stupid, but I guess you just have to get out there. So I'm also making these videos to help myself, okay? Like, hopefully this will motivate me to get out there, get over this hump that I'm going on with dealing with the whole calling people. Like, and I like to talk, which is crazy. So for somebody who likes to talk as much as me, shout out to all the Virgos out there. I don't know why I'm getting so scared to pick up the phone and dial people. But, you know, I'm hoping that I can overcome it sooner than later because I need to make some money. I need to make some shmoney. So if you guys want to chart my success and see like how I go from 0 to 100, kick it with me. Watch my videos. I welcome your feedback. That's our dog Leche in the background. You hear it. And I just look forward to starting this channel with you guys, and hopefully, you know, we can band together in the insurance world and talk about it. Sorry if my videos aren't all that, you know, I'm taping from my laptop. I don't have all the cool gidgy gadgets and lighting and all that, so I'm in my kitchen. So, you know, it's just going to be a step-by-step process. Feel free to comment below. You can always ask me something that you want to talk about or see. I think, you know, oh, before I leave, I want to talk about also just getting your mind right to get into sales and stuff. What I'm currently reading, I'm always reading several books. What I'm reading right now is The 10X Rule by Grant Cardone. It's a bomb book. I suggest it, especially if you're in sales, getting your mind right, or you're just getting into sales. This book is dope. I'm on like chapter 7. Already highlighting. And I think when I'm done, I'll probably share some tidbits with you guys from it. Super, super dope. I listen to Grant Cardone on the what was it, iTunes? I listen to it on iTunes. So, I mean, get you a mentor. You know, I don't have a personal mentor in this field. So, you know, my mentors are all virtual. Right now, if you are where I'm at, I'm still learning how to, I guess, all the information from different companies with Equus. So I think right now that's where I'm at. I think tonight, this evening, I'm going to probably spend, you know, the rest of my time going through, trying to look at the modules. They have online training modules, which I kind of like. And I've been really like doing those and trying to see like, oh, how to do an application for the different companies. Because some are paperless, some are not, some are like e-apps, some are not. So, you know, I'm hoping to get confident enough where I'm ready to start making my appointments and getting out there. I know someone told me, or one of my upline people told me, like, look, you're never like fully ever confident. You just have to get out there and do it. So I'll take you guys with me from beginning to end. And I look forward to cultivating a community with you guys so that we can all prosper and live long. Alright, Alicia, nice to meet you guys. Hope you stick with me and watch my journey. Peace.